The greedy dog. Dog was always hungry. One day he trotted to the market. He spotted a bone. Look at that bone, dog barked. I want it. He ran and ran. I'm so clever. Soon he came to a river. Dog looked into the water. He saw another dog. That dog has a bigger bone, he thought. I want it. He growled at the dog in the water. The dog in the water growled back. He barked at the dog in the water. The bone fell out of his mouth. The other dog vanished. Oh no, barked dog. Now I have no bone at all. There was no dog in the water. It was greedy dog's reflection all along. I am so silly.